isn't it? It's friendly thing, isn't it?
He wants to give this little bark to like somebody.
You get to me?
Alright, let him walk away and do it again. Can I have it? Alright, he's gonna walk away. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Alright. No, wait. No, he's gonna get... If he sees you again, he's gonna try to give it back to you. Alright, put your hand up. Put your hand up.
Hey. I feel it. Oh. I really want to touch you.
Oh, he's so cute. He's like, are you gonna take it?